In this movie, we'll look at another example of how we can whiten or brighten teeth, except this time we'll focus in on working one specific tooth. This is a portrait of one of my sister's best friends, and here she is on her wedding day, and you can see she has this one tooth which is a little bit discolored, and we want to fix that. So how do we do it? Well, here, rather than make a selection, we'll begin simply by going straight to hue saturation. We'll click on the target adjustment tool and sample the color that we want to correct, in this case the yellows. And because this one has such a strong kind of discoloration to it, I'm going to remove a lot of that. So here you can see I'm removing a lot of that almost all the way down to the bottom there. After having done that, what we need to do is mask it into a specific area. So we go to the Mask tab, click on Invert, and we'll need to zoom in really close here. Grab a brush tool, and with our brush tool, we want to make a brush which has 0% hardness. It has a size which allows us to work on that area. That looks pretty good. For the opacity, I'll bring this up to about 30% and just start to take that yellow out. Tap the left bracket key to make it smaller to get around the edges there. And then a little bit bigger. Another little area over there I want to work on. And again, just working to remove the color from this part of the image. Next, once we've removed that color from that area, we want to brighten it up. Because right now it looks okay, but it's just still too dark. So what we can do is reuse this mask. And one way that we can reuse a mask is to command click it on a Mac or control click it on Windows. Next, click on the adjustment layer icon that you want to use, in this case curves, and here I just want to brighten this tooth up and bring it up to a brightness value where it's close to the other teeth. And can you see how we now have successfully dealt with that color and also the brightness value of that area? And it looks like just a nice natural look. It's not over the top, not overdone, not over photoshopped. And we are able to do that by using our teeth whitening technique in a really specific and targeted way.